Hello and welcome to the top of the world. Welcome to the channel. Over the last few years I've been asked numerous occasions, how long is your winter then? Well, today's the 26th of April 2023. Our first snow landed 14th of October 2022. So you can do the maths yourself. Anyway, there's that big log. My job for today, and it's been about a week or so since I did the last video, and that's because I've been doing mundane stuff and I've been doing I've started another project. If you remember, somewhere behind me there, the generator, I've got to put a porch on the house from the land to which that generator come from. And I've started it, but you know, I've been doing bits and pieces, and then I've been splitting and cutting and stacking wood. And I've also delivered, if we go around this way, all of the wood that I cut for my friend who let me cut on his land. So we've already run the sawmill a few times. You can see over there in the wood store, not only is the front off, there's a fresh pack of wood. Did I even show you that? Can't remember. Anyway, he's happy. And he's fully cut. He's got over his little bit of depression. So we're going to set up the sawmill and we're going to make an attempt. Now, I've had a long one through here before. You can see there's a part of this end wall missing. I've had a long one in here before, but not that long. So the first challenge is getting that on the sawmill. The second challenge is, once it's on there, can I roll it over myself? So the idea is I can only cut that for as long as the sawmill runs, and then I've got to cut the sawmill blade out of it, wind back the sawmill and go again. So I haven't attempted anything this big before, and I'm not sure if I could even turn it over. And then once I've got it cut, I can finish the bit that I can't cut on the sawmill with the chainsaw. I could do it with a chainsaw, only with a chainsaw. Now it's for the beam, one of those big beams, the beam that's going to replace this old building. We've been through this scenario loads of times. This was a temporary building I built with a chainsaw in the middle of winter, and it served well, but it's going to come down. It's going to come down. So I thought I'd build a new one before it comes down and damages everything inside. I actually forgot what the cut size was now. It's been a while since it's been here. Oh, here we go. So it's 26 feet. What's that? 8.5 metres. That's what that is. 26 feet, 8.5 metres. Right. Let's see what we can do here then. Should be a big enough hole. If I can get in there, get that log through there. I might have gone a bit much there. Still. Right. Now then, we go and get the old girl out. She should start. Not that difficult. There is something I wanted to think about though, is I just did that on snow with the backloader. Steering's at the back, so you're pivoting on the drive wheels. With a normal tractor with the forks on the front, that would have been a single shot easy. With the backloader, why am I so good on a backloader? Because that's all I got. So that's what I drive. And you have to learn. Have I dropped many logs, made many mistakes, revved it to the limiter in anger? Oh yeah, I've done all of that. But now, I don't need to. Right, there we go. So we've got it wedged. It's also got a slight bend in it, in that direction. The bow's going up. Now I need to straighten that. So I'm going to take out most of the bow from the bottom. So from here, that's pretty straight. The bow is just on this little bit at the bottom. So I'm going to cut it level from here to the maximum size I can get at the other end. And then when I turn it over, it'll take more of the bow out on this side. That's the plan. Whatever I do, it's not an easy cut because of the length. But as long as it don't move, because if it moves, it'll just snap the band. As long as it don't move, we should have some success with this, and we should come out of here with, well, I'm going to turn this into this beam now, in this video. I've done the 2 support beams for the extensions to what we built last year. This is the crucial part because this forms the new sawmill building on this end. What is he doing? What are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. Now I admit, he looks like a swamp rat. I admit that. But it will improve. wavy. That's not so good at all. It's going to be a lot easier for me to chainsaw that last section off nice and straight than it would have been. Well, I haven't got anything that can give me a beam this good with the chainsaw. Anyway, there we go. All we've got to do now is get it out of here. Now don't let that bit of bark make you think that that beam's bent, because it ain't. It is completely straight. So that's how you do that. Well, at least that's how I do that. I'm sure other people have different ideas about how it could be done or should be done. But you can see how easy that is now. If we go to this end, what a small amount of work that is for me to chainsaw that off square to match the rest of the beam. And we're not going to do it today because you know, there's this stuff coming down and I'm just not feeling so inclined to do it. So we're calling that beam done. And then on the floor over there, like I say, I've already cut the upright for there and the other upright for down there. And we've got the beam for this section here up on top. And then this section here, that's that beam. And that's that done. So from a very snowy Lapland, I wish you all well. And thank you for joining me. Give it a thumbs up if you like the comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. See plenty more content and much more different content to this. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.